there was recession from number 11 through number 6. We're going to try to coronally position these areas, and especially number 8. Number 8 has a crown, and there's some composite that's been placed over the margin, and then interdentally you can see that there's recession in here as well. So in these particular areas, we're going to also put some AlloDerm underneath the papilla. The good thing is that her papilla, the interdental space, is real wide, and her tissue is real thick. We'll be putting some composite here and doing suspensory sutures, trying to get as much of the root covered as possible, but especially on tooth number 8. We're going to also remove this composite first. Once I get the flap reflected, I'll have a little more room in here to flatten it out a little more. So I got that crown polished, and now we'll go ahead and start the procedure. Okay, now we're going to work on our flat mobilization. The guy is just amazing. I think he should win.
Because he actually has talent.
Well, they all have talent.
But he's an actual artist that can do.
Oh yeah, he's really an artist.
Now, do they play instruments?
This year you can if you want.
Yes,
if you want to play an instrument, you can play an instrument.
Oh, we have the light. There's another light up in the cabinet. The one that plugs in. If you ask Rosa, she could probably help you out. But it's on the top cabinet. It's the old one. You put the cover over. The one that you plug in.
Getting quite a bit of movement here.
Things are looking really good, Vicky.
Okay, we got our AlloDerm here, and we're going to place it in here and then suture it. You see the micro pickup? When I suture it interproximally,
Casey made a really nice bracelet yesterday and some earrings.
Oh yeah?
Her teacher makes and sells jewelry.
Right there. Okay, so we've got our composite here, and going to do suspensory sutures.
Yeah.
Do I?
Yes, you do. And I would reach them, but I cannot. It's fine. You have another hour and 15 minutes.
Good. Doing good on time here, I would say.
Are those suture holders better?
Needle holders?
Needle. Yeah, and those are the newer ones with the more diamond coating on it.
So there's our suspensory sutures. Now we're going to be doing single slings to coronally position the gingival margin. For these
Keep going.
single slings, I want to use
Okay, slow down.
I'm using a 5/0 gut. For the suspensory sutures, we used 7/0 Gore-Tex. And
Okay. It's longer.
and the suture, the AlloDerm, we used, what was it, 6/0 Prolene?
Yes.
Could use 6 or 7/0 Prolene. So that's our final result. Take a look at it in a couple weeks. Okay, this is a 2-week healing of the coronal positioning and AlloDerm grafting, and take a look at it in about a month. This is a 6-week healing of the coronal positioning and grafting in the maxillary anterior, and I'll be taking a look at it in another couple months. Okay, this is a 2.5 month follow-up of the augmentation we did on tooth number 8, and considering what we started out with, I think we got a great result. You know, she still has a little interpapillary deficiency. I'm not sure if she wants to have that crown redone, but you know, all things considered, I think it looks just a whole lot better than when we started.